Durban's naan bread reimagined into a naan bread roll. Let's make it. To a small bowl, add 4 teaspoons of sugar, 1 cup of warm milk, 125 ml of warm water, and 7 grams of yeast. Stir and leave aside for a while until it thickens. To another larger bowl, add in 4½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, half a cup of milk powder, and 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds. Mix together and then add in 35 grams of melted butter. Lastly, add in the yeast mixture and make into a soft dough. Mix and knead this until it becomes smooth and elastic for about 8 to 10 minutes. If the dough is still a bit dry, you can add in a little hot water to make it pliable. Place into an oiled bowl, cover, and let it rise until double in size for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, you will notice that the dough has doubled in size. Knock down the dough and divide it into portions. Lightly grease a pan that you will be placing the naan bread rolls into. Then shape the bread rolls and place them into the baking pan. Make sure to leave some space between the bread rolls because these will double in size after baking. You will get about 10 bread rolls from this recipe. Brush each bread roll with a little egg wash, sprinkle some fennel seeds, and leave to rise for another 30 minutes. Bake in a preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown in color. And now it's optional to brush this with some melted butter while still hot. Let me show you how these turn out. Both the bottom and the top are golden brown in color. The naan breads turn out firm as it should be, fragrant because of the fennel seeds which aid in digestion, making this bread comfortable to eat with heavy, spicy dishes. Can't tell you how amazing these turn out. Try it for yourselves. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, hitting the notification bell. I look forward to seeing you in the next vlog.